Hello, my friends, and welcome to an enlightening video that will challenge your perception of manifestation. We all want to manifest our desires and create the life we've always dreamed of. It's true, isn't it? But what if I told you that you are already manifesting right here, right now? Yes, my friends, the person you are today is a manifestation of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Every decision you've made, every goal you've pursued, and every dream you've dared to envision has played a role in shaping the person you have become. The incredible truth is that manifestation is not something new or foreign to you. You have been doing it all along, consciously or unconsciously. The circumstances, blessings, and opportunities you've experienced are a testament to your inherent manifesting abilities. Now, my dear friends, imagine harnessing this inherent power and tuning your thoughts towards manifesting anything you desire in life. It may seem like a bold claim, but it truly is that simple. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires, you can unlock the limitless potential within you. In this video, I will guide you through the exact process, step by step, to tune your thoughts and steer your manifestation journey in the direction of your dreams. It's a process that I've explained in detail and one that has transformed the lives of countless individuals. But remember, my friends, manifestation is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing practice that requires consistency, dedication, and a belief in your own power. By staying tuned till the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights and techniques that will empower you on your manifestation journey. If you are new here, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of informational videos on manifestation, empowering you to tap into your true potential and create a life of fulfillment. So, my friends, get ready to embrace the incredible power of manifestation that resides within you. You hold the key to manifesting your desires and transforming your life. Let's begin. Manifesting what you want in life is possible, and Neville Goddard's teachings can help unlock the power of manifestation. His philosophy around creation and 3D reality is important to understand in order to manifest what you want. With his teachings, thoughts and imagination play an integral role in manifesting, as everything that is accepted as true will become true for you. In order to live the life of your desires, it is necessary to direct your own thoughts and imagination towards what you want. It cannot be manifested without this conscious effort. You must believe blindly that your desire has already been manifested. Feeling this desire as real is the key to successful manifestation using Neville Goddard's teachings. The subconscious mind accepts only what you feel is true, so believing and feeling something strongly makes it part of reality easier than simply wishing for something with no conviction or belief behind it. Manifestation occurs continuously throughout day-to-day activity, so becoming aware of this process can help guide how one manifests consciously on a larger scale meaningfully. Unlike the teachings of most religions, Neville Goddard emphasizes that there is no force or God outside us controlling the world. It is actually our own consciousness that makes us aware of the world. This means that we are solely responsible for creating our own realities through positive thinking and visualization techniques like affirmations or visualization boards. The law also tells us to focus on what we want, rather than worrying about what we don't have, as this will attract negative energy into our lives instead. The law of assumption states that we, as individuals, are responsible for what happens in our lives. No one else is accountable or can be blamed when something bad occurs. This law allows us to take control over our lives by understanding that, despite external influences, it is ultimately up to us how things pan out. While some people may feel comfortable operating from a place of victimhood, they still have the choice and freedom to take control of their circumstances if desired. Understanding and believing in the law of assumption empowers you with accountability and motivation to create change for yourself when unsatisfied with current circumstances or unhappy with past decisions made along your journey. By utilizing visualization techniques such as affirmations, positive thinking, and belief in your goals, you will prove beneficial in achieving success through this law. At some point in our lives, we all find ourselves wishing for something we don't have, whether it's a job, a relationship, or simply more money. That's where Neville Goddard comes in. His teachings on the law of attraction and manifestation can help you unlock the power of your own mind to bring your dreams into reality. According to Neville Goddard, no one is inherently good or bad. The judgment we place on each other depends on our own culture, beliefs, and standards. This means that with the right belief system and attitude towards life, anyone can manifest their desires into reality. That is why his teachings focus on cultivating positive thinking habits such as visualization, affirmations, and using the law of assumption to create what you want in life, rather than waiting for it to happen without taking action. The principle behind this is simple. It is possible to create the life you want by imagining it first and assuming it to be true at a subconscious level. To attract or bring back a specific person into your life, for example, imagine that they have already returned as if it has already happened. Living in this state of having your desired fulfilled will help make that desire come alive. Because when we truly believe something has happened even though there might not be any physical evidence yet, then manifestation can occur. Realizing that our thoughts have the power to shape our lives is key to understanding how to manifest our deepest desires. Neville Goddard suggested that we assume what we desire has already come to pass and live as if it were true. He said, your assumptions will harden into facts, meaning that when you think positively and believe something will happen, it usually does. This is why it's important not to become discouraged if something hasn't physically manifested yet. Instead, imagine it as if it had already occurred. We are all interconnected and connected to everything else. The characters we see in our dreams don't exist without our imagination and consciousness. Everything we do should reflect this goal, our way of talking, physical appearance, etc., as part of manifesting what we want most in life. It's crucial to understand that you have the ability within yourself to create your own realities through visualization and positive thinking. Mindful living also plays an important role when trying to manifest one's desires. Mindful living involves recognizing how one's decisions affect themselves and those around them, ultimately leading to a more fulfilled existence. By taking time for self-reflection on how these decisions impact us on an individual level, we gain further insight into the world around us. This ultimately leads to creating more authentic relationships with ourselves and others, as well as unlocking new realms of possibilities within manifestation. We all decide what is true or false, good or bad in our lives. Manifesting something into our life requires taking conscious control of our imagination and directing it towards what we wish to achieve. To do this, visualize your desired outcome as if it has already happened. This will help your subconscious mind believe that you can manifest it into reality. Additionally, keep positive affirmations close at hand. They can be reminders of your goals and help keep them top of mind throughout each day. Don't let your thoughts and imaginations ruin your life. Take action now to manifest the life you want for yourself by following Neville Goddard's teachings. Make sure that whatever goal you set out for yourself is achievable within reasonable means, no matter how big or small. And remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel where we make inspirational videos based on Neville Goddard's teachings so that others may benefit from his wisdom too. Thanks for watching the video till the end. May God bless you in your manifestation journey.